And I'm going to do this question without knowing how to do it in real time to show my true thinking without really knowing how to do this question. So there's a cube that's 10 by 10 by 10 units, I guess, and there is a triangle drawn from point A to B to C. They want to know the area of that triangle. So first thing I would do is look for one of the sides that I could find the length of. And I think I could find this one. And I think I could find this one. Because if we look at just the face of, we'll call this D and E of BECD, it's a square that's 10 by 10, and the part of the triangle seems to be going directly across the center of it. So we can use Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. Don't mind my not making sense. So line BC is the square root of 200, or 10 square root 2, making this a 45, 45, 90 triangle. And that would be the same case for the other length, AB. Is that the length of AC? Yes, it is. So we know all three lengths. It's an equilateral triangle in the middle. So really they want to know what the area of this triangle is. I would break it up into two different 90-degree triangles. Or I guess you don't really need to. Well, you need to know the height. So now this is 5 square root 2. This is 10 square root 2. We know this is a 60-degree angle. We know this is 30. If we know the 30, 60, 90 rule, you know that the short side is half of the hypotenuse. Oh. This would be x squared root 3. So this is 5 square root of 2 square root of 3, or 5 square root of 6. So that is the height. So if we did 1/2 the base times the height, we would get 25 square root of 12, or factor out of 4, 50 square root 3. Is that an answer?